In this video, we are going to create our first dashboard. To do so, navigate to Visualization, Dashboards, and click the Create Dashboard button on the top right. We are going to give this dashboard a name. For this demo, I'm just going to name it Demo, and I'm going to leave all the settings as default and click Create. Now, we need to populate this dashboard with widgets. Click on the top left, and these are our available widgets. I'm going to go ahead and create a graphing widget, and this window pops up. All widgets follow the same pattern. On the left is a preview, on the right is the configuration. So for this, I'm going to go ahead and select the 24-hour time span, which is 1 day, and a bucketing of every 10 minutes. Next, I can configure any other setting I would wish, but for now, I just want to go ahead and add my Siri to the graph. I can click this button, and then a new dialog pops up where I have to select which variable I want to pull in to this graphing widget. I'm going to hit the variable picker, then I'm going to select my device that I want to read from, then I'll select the variable. Once that's selected, I'm going to go ahead and click the select, and the diagram dashboard is populated with the data. The next step is I can add another Siri, maybe from another building, if I wish to compare the kilowatt usage, and maybe I want to compare the average with the max of another building. Once this is done, I can scroll to the top and also adjust the stroke, adjust any color that I wish. Then once I'm ready with this dashboard graph, I can go ahead, scroll to the bottom, click Save, and next I need to adjust the width of my widget. To do so, click on Move Widgets, then drag the hand slider all the way out, and our graph now takes up the full width of the dashboard. Once you're ready, click Done, click Publish, make a comment, and then once you're ready, click the Publish button. Our dashboard was successfully saved, so now to preview it, click Exit, and we can navigate back to the demo dashboard that we created, and our graph is showing as we selected.